Afternoon and welcome back to Rad Riders. Today we're going to have a look at the Honda PS125 injection that I bought, the little scooter. Well, it's not that little, to be fair. We're going to have a look at that. I bought it to save getting the Kove out. So every time I wanted to just pop to the shops, I don't have to get... Bear in mind, you still got to wear protective. The law in France is you've got to wear a helmet and gloves. But I wouldn't go out wearing shorts and t-shirt like some people. If you do come off, you're going to hurt yourself. A good jacket, good sturdy pair of jeans and a good pair of boots. Helmet is law and of course a pair of gloves. First thing that hits the floor when you do come off is usually your hands, so protect your hands. Here's the bike in the background. I'm going to give you a walk around in a second because when I first bought it, the sunshine had faded all the paint on there. So what I've done is I've stripped it back, give it a good clean service, etc. Put it all back together, lick of paint and some varnish. I've not made it immaculate. After all, it's a 2007 bike. I want to ride it. I want it to look good. Let me show you around it. So here's the bike in the shade. It's a very hot day again here in the southwest of France in the Charente. It's 30 plus. So I'm in my garden, I'm not by the road, I've parked the bike in the shade. Apologies if you can't see it perfectly, but it's just too hot to take it in the direct sunshine. Anyway, I'll give you a quick tour around the bike, let you have a look at it, and then I'll give you some specifications and tell you what my thoughts are. Okay, it's Honda PS125 2007. This has got just a mere 4,720 plus kilometres, which is about 2,950 miles. It's hardly done anything. But if you look at the previous pictures on the video, you would see that the sun had got it, it had faded the seat. I've restored that. All this black plastic was literally light grey. That's all been taken off. It's all been stripped back, painted, and then a clear matte varnish to protect it again from the sun. A couple of little scrapes there. I'm not going to paint that. And a couple of scrapes there where people's got it in and out of the garage or the shed. But I'm not going to paint that. Overall, it's a cracking little bike. And it's just something you can swing your leg across, rev it, and go. Don't forget to like and subscribe. For a 125, it's not a small bike. I'm 6'2" and 16 stone at the moment. And it pulls very, very well up to 70 mile an hour with my weight on it. But it's ideal if you just want to get out and you've just got a half an hour journey to an hour's journey. It'll keep up well on the motorway, but I don't take it on the motorway. But it'll cruise steadily at 60, 65, up to 70 mile an hour. It's 120 kilograms, so it's not getting blown all around like most scooters do. Seat height is 780, so it's nice, big, wide, comfortable seat for longer journeys. And it's got 13-inch wheels, so it's not got skinny, tiny little 10-inch scooter wheels that you get on a lot of bikes. The nice thing about this bike, it's got lots of storage. It's got the Honda top box. It's also got the under-seat storage, which will take a full-size helmet, and there's the fuel. And it's got cabin storage here as well. For your driver's licence and documents. Carrier bag storage there with a hook. And overall, a nippy, not so small machine. It's nimble, it's agile, it's quite tall, easy to manoeuvre in and out of traffic. Yeah, so when you think about it, 2007 specifications, fuel injection. Okay, I'll go over some specifications, show you what I look like on it and tell you how it rides. Catch you in a bit. Okay, so here's the scooter. I'm going to give you a couple of specifications, which I'm going to read off this card. This one's a 2007 model year. It's coming in at 13.6 brake horsepower, so it is right up there. It's no slouch. It's fuel injection, it's electric start, and it's 4-stroke. It's also liquid cooled, so it's pretty, for the year, it's pretty highly spec'd. Weight of 120 kilograms, which I've already mentioned. Top speed of 105 suggested, but I've had up to 70 mile an hour out of this, and that's suggesting 65 or 105 kilometers. And it's A1 license. C-type for some people might be a little bit tall, because I'm 6'2" and 16 stone, and when it's on its centre stand, I'm pretty much, the seat is wide. That's the thing. It's not that it's a high bike. The seat is very, very wide. If you're going to sit on the front, then it's very, very easy. But if, like me, with your long legs, you sit back, it's a very comfortable place to be. 13-inch wheels, as I said, so it's not hitting every single pothole and throwing you off the bike. That's how I look on it. There's room for a pillion, and it would pull a pillion. Now, I've took this out on the local roads, and it pulls very, very well. To get it started, you've got to rev it, because there's a bit of a delay. I'm not used to riding scooters, but there is a little bit of a delay when you first give it some throttle, and that's not a bad thing. It means it's not going to just power off from under you, but it picks up really, really quickly. Even with my weight on there, you give it some throttle and it picks up, you know, surprisingly quickly. It's 1 speed, belt driven, so it goes all the way up, so there's no chain to oil. This one's had a new rear tyre and a new belt and a service, and I've got to say I'm overall impressed with it. Not being a scooter fan in the past, I've had my C90s, but they're a step through. Loads and loads and loads of fun. And I've seen people, when I've been going out on the shops and I've been on my bike, I've got the helmet, I've got the motocross boots on, you know, and I see people just slide a leg over, turn the key, and woof, they're away. Now, I bought this bike just so if I had a quick errand to run, the cost of fuel is going through the roof at the moment. If you're doing a short journey, get on your bike. If you're doing a shorter journey, get on your scooter. It's fun. Would I have it as my only bike? No, I like the gears. I like the gears, I like changing gear, I like the clutch, regardless of whether it's a 50cc, a 125 or a 1000cc, I like that style. Scooters, they're not really for me as an only bike. As an addition, it's a lot of fun, and if you're A1 licensed, it's perfect for getting around. It's easy to ride, it's stress-free, it's inline brakes, so when you touch one, it gives a percentage to the front and the rear. You don't have to touch both of the brakes. Good mirrors, so you've got good view all around, and it carries a lot of stuff. So if you pop into the shops, it's ideal for that. Where on the Kove 450, well, I'm afraid it's a backpack, a rucksack, and a tank bag, and I still can't fit as much as I do in this. Is it more fun? Well, do you know what? It depends on where you're going and what you're doing and what time you have. I've had this bike for about 2 weeks now. I've enjoyed having it. Is it a keeper? I'll see. If I'm going to use it all the way through summer, then yes, I will keep it. But it's nice to try it. It's nice to have something different, to experience something different. I know why you scooter fans love these, because it's just so easy to ride. Is it for me? Well, I'm not sure yet. I'll have to live with it a little bit longer and let you know. I'm going to take it on a test ride. I'm going to film that one. That one will be coming up shortly, so stick around for that. If you're not already subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. It's completely free and helps me make content like this. If you've got any comments, drop them below. I answer all my comments, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I will catch you on the next one.